Hello, from another 12-foot view. While building workshops on balancing data and institutional knowledge, one thing kept stealing the light: balance. Important in all things, of course. This axe needs to be balanced. The force and spin that I apply to the axe needs to be balanced. And building an engagement score requires that balance as well. I can't just stumble into an instance of Slate, download fields and event counts, and then the next day have a shiny new engagement score. The staff are going to know what's being tracked in Slate, what values and priorities the institution has, and possibly more importantly, what is being tracked in Slate, what's not being tracked in Slate, and what changes are coming from the institution. These are sides of a very large coin, one that needs that balance. Let me know, how do you balance both historical data and that institutional knowledge piece? Comment below, and remember, stay sharp, my friends.